In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Windows support alerts that quote this fake Windows support number, which is 187-200-1844. This is a fake Windows support number, and it is not related to Windows or Microsoft. And if you see these pop-ups, do not trust whatever they tell you. Such pop-ups are deceptive, and they are not associated with Windows or Microsoft, so simply leave this page. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the official website combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your system, and this way Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other infections which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.